Hi guys, so let's see the major forex pairs where next week it will be work. Okay guys, it will right now you can seeing that euro versus US dollar guys, it is continuously consolidating and here only taking the first time, second, three times resistance guys. Okay guys, now what we can expect is that if it will came and take somewhere here support and break. Okay guys, our first target will be somewhere here, second target guys, or third target, fourth target and fifth target guys. These are the five target guys. Okay guys, and also one thing I will tell you, if it will break uh, on this day only, on 20th only, so you can see that if it taking a support on this trend line only, then you can go for your first target, second guys, third, as same as what we have discussed our target in this. Okay guys, so you can go for that. If supposingly if it will came downside guys, then we can shift this line. Just these are the our downside target guys. These you can see that our first target will be this guys, second target, third, fourth and fifth target guys. Okay guys, this will be the major thing. So you can see here, if price action is meeting and taking resistance, then you can go for third and fourth and fifth target too. Okay guys, so we can see next forex pair, GBP versus US dollar guys. Okay guys, here you can see that it is continuously taking resistance right now. So we just do is that I will shift this here. Okay guys, you can see that if it will take support somewhere here, right now it is already taking support. This will be your first target guys, second, third and fourth target guys. These are the four target guys you can definitely achieve in upside momentum. If it will take resistance from here guys, then your first target will be this guys, second target will be somewhere here, third target guys, this will be your fourth target guys. Okay guys, we can see next forex pair, euro versus Japanese yen. Sorry guys, euro versus British pound. You can see that it is somewhere is looking like at a channel pattern. Okay guys, so right now what we think is that if it will going like this only, then it will be our first target and second target. After it will take once again here resistance, then our first target will be somewhere here, second target guys. If once again take here resistance guys, then our third target will be this, fourth target guys and our fifth target guys. These are the five target in downside guys. Okay guys, if it will eventually breaks this upside momentum, okay guys, if break then take support, then our first target will be this guys, then our second target guys, third target guys. These are the first target, second, third, fourth and fifth target guys. These are the five target in upside and downside too guys. You can see these. Okay guys, so we have discussed euro versus British pound. Now we can move on US dollar versus Canadian dollar. Okay guys, in US dollar versus Canadian dollar, you can see that it is right now it is taking a somewhere here support. Okay guys, if it will come somewhere here and take support, then our first target will be somewhere here guys, second target. If it will break and take support, then only go for your fourth target guys. This will be fifth target, sixth target too guys. Okay guys, this will be, just a second guys, I will just shift this. If it will take support, then only go for those upside momentum targets. Okay guys, we can also see if it will break, take resistance, then we can see heavy fall in this US dollar. Okay guys, this will be first target guys, second target, this will be third and this will be fourth target guys. If you like to join my Discord server also guys, there I will update some of the other pairs also in forex, so you can join there also in Discord server and Telegram channel. I will give that link in the description guys. We can see next forex pair guys, US dollar versus Swiss francs. Okay guys, you can see that what we have exactly told you, they are only reached and came back also. So we have got upside and downside both the momentum. Right now it's taking a resistance from here guys. So what we can see is that if it will take somewhere here resistance, then our first target will be here guys, second target guys, this will be our third target guys, and our fourth target will be somewhere here and fifth target guys. These are the five targets in downside target guys. If it will eventually breaks and come and take support somewhere here, our first target will be this, second target guys, third, and this time if it will break, then it will gives us bigger momentum. Fourth target guys, fifth, and many more guys. You can I will update this also in my Discord server and Telegram channel. You can join there guys. Okay guys, we can see next AUD versus US dollar. What we have discussed exactly that happened, taken resistance and came down. Here is the one of the trend line. You can also check my learning video also guys. There I have told you so much learning things. You can go and check out that too. You can see that upside momentum also. We got first target, second target, after that it taken support here also, third, fourth, fifth, and also sixth target guys. All target we have achieved. Right now it's in the trending momentum, mean upside momentum. Okay guys, if it will eventually take a resistance from here guys, then our first target will be somewhere here guys, second target will be somewhere here, third target guys. Okay guys, third target will be there, fourth target you can see here, and fifth target guys. These are the 5 target in downside momentum. If it will continuously take here resistance, then break, take here support or not, you can see the price action. After that our first target, second and third. Here you can face a very nicely a seller's opportunity will be there, so you can also take here opportunity to sell. After that you can see the price action, first target, second, third target in downside too. You can achieve that too guys. Okay guys, we can see next forex pair guys. Here you can see that I have told you in downside also, all the you have to take your second target only 70 to 80% your profit. After that 30 to 20% you have to book your third and fourth and fifth target guys. Okay guys, if you are confident then it's okay, you can take full quantity with fourth to fifth target also. Okay guys, right now you can see that it is continuously taking here somewhere support. So what we can see is, if it will once again take a resistance, it will came here. Definitely your first target will be here, second target will be somewhere here guys, third target will be somewhere here guys. Okay guys, and if it will once again come and take resistance from here, then your fifth, and you can see the sixth target too guys. Okay guys, these are the target in downside. If it will take resistance from here and continuously taking resistance, third time it will break or second time take support, then our first target will be this, second target, third target, and you can go for bigger target too. I will update in the Discord server also and Telegram channel. You can join there guys. Okay guys, we can see next Euro versus Japanese yen. What we have exactly told you is that you can see that it is taking resistance, two time it's taken, third time it will breaks, then definitely achieve till here. You can see my video also. I have not done any editing. You can check out that video too. Okay guys, you can see that exactly it's taking resistance right now. You can see that right now it's taking a resistance. If it will breaks the upside momentum, so we can get very nice momentum. It will definitely take a support somewhere here. Then our first target will be this guys, second target, third target guys, fourth target guys, this will be fifth target guys, final target, fifth target guys. Okay guys, and if the possibility is that if it will take resistance from here, then you can see the your first target will be here guys, second target will be somewhere here, third guys, fourth, and eventually you can see the fifth target too guys. Okay guys, it's the strongly, if it will break, then it will use us very nice momentum in upside guys. Mark it up. Okay guys, you can join my Discord server also guys, so I will update there too. Okay guys, right now you can see that it continuously broken the trend line. Okay guys, you can see that downside also we have got momentum. After that here only it's taken a support also. If you have not seen that, you can see that this is the trend line. After this break, our first target also reached, second target also reached. We have got downside and upside, both the momentum, and very nice momentum has been done in Australian dollar versus Swiss francs. Okay guys, right now we can see where it can travel. Right now it's maybe come here your first target, second target guys. If it will turns around from here only, so you can see the upside momentum. If it doesn't turn around, then your third target will be this guys, fourth target, fifth target guys. These are the 5 target in downside. If it will turn around from here only and take a support from this target only, then you can go for your first target guys, second, third, fourth and fifth target guys. Okay guys, if it will supposingly take here also support, then it will break this line, then only go for these target guys, upside momentum. Okay guys, we can see next GBP versus Japanese yen. Also we have discussed that if it will take support, you can see that exactly taken support. You can see that our first target, second, third, fourth, all target we have achieved in this time, this week also and previous week. You can check out that we have got 95% accuracy. You can see my YouTube video also. Okay guys, you can check out there. Right now what it's doing is that its face right now is resistance. Okay guys, right now it will face the resistance from somewhere here guys. If it will take resistance, then our first target guys, second, third, this will be defending area guys, fourth target guys, this will be major defending area. So I will just mark it up so you can get it. So this will be very much defending area. Okay guys, so you can get if once again taken resistance, you can go up till here also. It depends on you and price action. Okay guys, if it will take support somewhere here guys, then your first target will be somewhere here guys, second, third and final fourth target guys. Okay guys, we can see next major pair, euro versus US dollar guys. You can see here guys, we have discussed the euro versus US dollar also. Okay guys, so hope you like my video. Please, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like the video and share with your family and friends, whoever wanted to trade in forex guys. If you like my video, please share with your friends and family guys. Thank you.